Hello guys, in this video I am gonna show you how to adjust offensive auto sub settings in Madden 27 and how do they actually work. First, open settings and go to auto subs. Here you'll find different options for your offense including quarterback, running back, wide receiver, fullback, tight end and offensive lineman. You'll see two settings for each position, sub out and sub in. Here's how they work. Sub out controls when a player gets taken out of the game because of fatigue. For example, if you set wide receiver sub out to 60, the receiver can be replaced once their stamina drops to that level. Then sub in controls when that player is ready to come back into the game. So if wide receiver sub in is set to 80, the player will return once their stamina recovers to 80. This means the bigger the gap between sub out and sub in, the longer your players will usually stay on the sideline before returning. You can adjust these settings depending on how much rotation you want. If you want players to stay on the field longer, use lower sub out values. If you want more frequent substitutions, increase the sub out value. You can also adjust the same settings for your defense, including defensive tackles, defensive ends, linebackers, cornerbacks and safeties. And if you are not sure what a setting does, just highlight it and the description on the right side of the screen will explain it. So that's how auto sub works in Madden 27, and you can adjust these values to control how often your players rotate in and out of the game. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.